How do you check piping system clashes in Rhino? A vessel can contain hundreds of kilometers of piping, ducting, and HVAC channels. Checking every possible clash manually takes a significant amount of time, and some collisions may still be missed, leading to serious and costly rework during production or installation. With Notilus Piping, you can check the entire model for clashes at once, detect collisions between pipes, ducts, equipment, structures, and other components. You can mark detected collisions as valid connections or dismiss them. These reviewed items will be excluded from future clash checks, so you can focus only on new and unresolved clashes. Find problems before they reach the workshop. Reduce rework, save time, and deliver a clash-free model. Visualize every clash directly in Rhino, review the results, and generate a detailed clash report. Accurate and efficient piping design in Rhino. Notilus Piping.